want to give you guys a quick review of the Bissell SpotClean ProHeat that I have here. This thing comes in handy all the time for us here in the house. And again, thank you guys for checking out this review. If you want to see some more products that I use around the house that I've reviewed, feel free to check out my channel. But I want to go through this with you guys. Absolutely love this. As you can see, it's pretty easy to carry, mobile. You can pick it up, take it to any room. There's two tanks on here. So you see this one right here is with the water and the cleaning solution. And if you pull this off, there is the guidelines there. I don't think you can see them, but it tells you to certain levels how much to fill the water and then how much additional to add for the cleaning solution. Let me move that. We got the light shining in. And then this tank here is what it sucks up, all the junk. And there is a full line right there. Once it gets to that, it will not suck up anymore. So that lets you know when you need to dump that out. But absolutely love the thing. The one I got here came with two attachments. This is just like the standard typical where you can spray and suck up. This is more for like short carpet and rugs. The one that we use a lot, as you can tell, this is like a thicker carpet. I use the one for deep reach. And here in a second, I'll show you guys how it works real quickly. But we mainly use this for our 4-year-old with him making stains and spilling stuff all over the place. And then also for our two pets. We have a dog and a cat. Now you can see here the attachments. The top ones just pop off. This little black little button, I guess you'd say, push that right there and you can slide them on and off. And then the trigger down here, when you hold that, that is what sprays out the water in the cleaning solution. Now, before I turn it on, because it will get a little loud, you won't be able to hear me. All you're really doing here, push the button right on top, it will turn it on. The way I like to do it is I'll come across, hold down the button, soak it a little bit, not exerting too much pressure down on the carpet. And then once I'm done saturating it with the water and the cleaning solution, I will let go and then slowly pull this back. And you'll see it suck up all the cleaner, dirt, stains, anything else in the carpet. So as you could see there when I ran it, the first few swipes, I was spraying out the cleaning solution in the water. And then as I was slowly pulling back, you could see all of it being sucked up in there, which then puts it here in this tank and you can see a lot of it in there. This thing's come in handy more times than I can even count. If you're looking for a nice portable carpet cleaner, this is definitely a must.